Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have AirPods for headphones, and today I'm gonna show you the best top tricks of these headphones. The first top trick is that we have ANC and transparency mode. We have even adaptive mode. To get this, we just have to scroll down to our control panel. Then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. And now we have to go into Info. As you can see, noise control, transparency, adaptive and noise cancellation. That is a great option. The second trick is that we have head gestures. Just have to scroll a little down and click head gestures. You can easily enable them. It's a great option if we don't have our hands free. You can easily accept and reply with up and down gesture and decline and dismiss with side to side gesture. The best trick is changing controls. For example, we can change our personal hold AirPods left noise control or Siri. Right 1, 2, and call controls. Answer call, press once, hidden unmute, press once or press twice. End call, press twice or press once. The fourth option, that is the best trick for me, is personalized volume and conversation awareness. This one, audio. Personalized volume, adjust the volume of media in response to your environment. We can have it enabled. And conversation awareness, lowers our media volume and reduces background noise when you start speaking to other people. We can have it enabled. That's it, I hope it helps you. Goodbye!